Welcome to Miniature Moments, a journey through Hallmark, made from 1973 to 2009. Ganda ng collection. These are nearly 7,000 Hallmark keepsake ornaments display. Napakaganda. Collectors Club. My God, ang ganda. Ang dami-dami. I like this. Ganda. See, ang ganda-ganda, honey. They are so beautiful. Now I feel, yeah, by years. Yeah, there are lots of collections. Yeah.
Right here. Oh yeah.
Christmas ornaments, sports. There are lots in different clothing. There's Barbie. There's toys and games. Then buildings. Yeah. So different kinds of what's this? Miniatures. Ganda-ganda talaga.
I'll go look at cars more.
Here, there are cars too.
Yeah.
Classic cars.
Yeah.
May dami.